Hi guys, Christina here at Impeccabilities, powered by Kaizink. Today we're going to go over some basic maintenance for our copy machine here. So one of the things you want to do is make sure the lasers in the machine are clean. So you just want to open this and grab these two springs there and let that go. And then this, which lives here, you're just going to stick it in each of these and wipe them, making sure the felt is facing up. Alright, and then obviously we haven't been cleaning this very well. We want to use our toner vacuum and vacuum up all this excess toner you see in the machine. Turn this on. Show you. We do have some better attachments, so you just want to go through and make sure you're making a right selection. That one was a little small, so we're going to go back and go through with this one here, and that's it.